Futures are up big time again after the Iowa caucuses. There was some question as to which candidate would cause the market to sell off or rally, and there was no results. They didn't get the data, and so the market just disregarded it altogether and rallied last night, up big on the Asia 4 ES long, hitting its $1,500 profit target after going through a series of losses. NightTrader did a good job of staying out of the sell-off last week and captured this move, hitting its profit target on the way back up to new highs. NightTrader and Asia 4 ES long were the highlights in the early trade after yesterday. We had some on Monday, February 3rd. We had first day of trading, market rallied and pulled back, and so it's one of those days where the rally happens in the first 30 to 45 minutes, and then it sells off, and after it has a gap up overnight, rallies early, and then pulls back, and so it's hard to trade, continue to trade the long side. And so we had some trades that were stopped out, some trades that were losers on the day yesterday, and we did have some winners. Let's see, stock index swing in Q was a winner on the day yesterday. We were at equity peaks at the end of January, and so we had a losing day on the first day of the month. 60-minute breakout was down on the day. The AT 2020 NQ was up 800, so that had a good trade. It got in early enough to capitalize on that trade. So here is 60-minute breakout NQ. So the market is just full of hemming and hawing, wanting to rally and then pulling back on our 60-minute breakout and then rallying. Lots of very, very news-driven market we're in right now. Market NASDAQ, mini NASDAQ futures just crossed through 9250. So going for those all-time highs, thought it would do that last Friday, and it did not. It sold off last Friday on the coronavirus. Now it's making its way back to new highs, and so we'll see what happens based on the news events of the day. If it gets back to those new highs, will it keep going or will it reverse? And so lots of the gap up and pull back in the day type of a market. So those are the trades on the day. Once again, we hit equity peaks as of the end of January on most of these portfolios, and so had a down day on Monday and back up on Tuesday so far with the night trading strategies for Asia 4 long and for Asia 4 ES long. So those are the strategies. NightTrader as well right here. So those are the updates. Those are the highlights.